Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to mute filter words on Twitter. First, when you get up into that fiction on your account, you need to tap on your profile section and then you need to scroll down and go for settings and privacy. When you reach that setup, you need to go for privacy and safety on the fourth selection, and you're gonna find out all these different options in which you need to scroll right down and go for safety or mute and block on that selection. And now here you can find out mute words. Click on that selection, go for got it on that fiction, and now you can simply tap on that plus icon, and here guys you can choose which side you can get up and take it, enter the word for example. Also you can get the duration of, for example, 7 days from now. You can get up all of these and take on the save button on your right upper side, and with this guys we have done it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.